If you're sending video proposals but they feel generic or stiff, or you're worried they're not connecting, this 3-minute tutorial is exactly what you need. I've tested all the most popular platforms, and by the end of this video, you'll know how to send video proposals that actually feel personal and get responses. Stick around, because I'll also share access to an exclusive free trial of the software I personally recommend, only available through this channel. Let's get into it. First, don't overthink the setup. Personal video proposals aren't about perfect lighting or flawless delivery. They're about making the other person feel like this video was made just for them. So start by saying their name. It sounds obvious, but 90% of video proposals skip this. Use their name right away. It immediately grabs attention. Next, reference something specific. Did they just launch a product? Mention it. Did you see their latest LinkedIn post? Bring it up. This shows you've done your homework and you're not blasting this video to everyone. Now, in terms of the software we'll be using, what you want is something that lets you record your screen and webcam at the same time. That way they see your face and what you're talking about, whether it's a proposal document, website, or demo. The software I recommend, which I linked in the description below, makes this seamless and super fast. It also lets you create custom thumbnails with their name on it, which massively increases open rates. Keep the video short. Under 2 minutes is ideal. Start with their name. Mention something relevant. Then get straight into the why. Why are you reaching out? Why should they care? What are you offering that's different or better? Keep your tone warm and conversational, not salesy. Imagine you're talking to them over coffee, not pitching on stage. At the end, include a clear next step. Say something like, if this sounds interesting, just hit reply or book a quick time using the link below. Keep it frictionless, no jargon, no long calls to action. Once it's recorded, customize the video thumbnail if your software allows. Include their name or company logo if you can. It shows effort and boosts play rates. Before you hit send, write a subject line or message that hints there's something personal inside. For example, quick video for you, Sarah. Your last campaign. The key takeaway here, sending video proposals that feel personal isn't about fancy editing. It's about making it clear this video was made for them. Start with their name, be specific, speak casually, and guide them to a simple next step. To quickly recap, use their name right away. Mention something specific. Use software that lets you record face and screen together. Keep it under 2 minutes. End with a clear next step. Customize the thumbnail. Use a personal subject line. If you want to follow along and try this out, I recommend taking advantage of the exclusive free trial linked in the description. It's the exact software I use, and it's only available through my channel. Thanks for watching. Go send your first personal video proposal. It's faster than you think, and it might just be the thing that sets you apart.